All right, so today we're taking a look at the world's first manufacturing business trading card game. This card game includes concepts from the manufacturing and business world, creating a one-of-a-kind trading card game. It's not only a ton of fun, but it's also an educational tool and a collector's item. So this game is rated for ages 10 and up, and inside of the box, you're gonna have your instruction manual right here. This is basically gonna give you a complete breakdown on how to play the game. All of the details are going to be included right here inside your instruction manual. So this is basically a strategy game. The aim is to make the SOTSU portable monitor. Whoever is able to obtain the 3 parts cards that convert into a portable monitor will win. There will also be special cards and superpower cards inside of the deck that has special functions. There will be 68 cards inside of the deck with 27 cards for each person that's playing. Then the remaining cards have special functions. In addition to the deck, you also have packs, which include mystery inserts and numbered cards. Inside of the packs, you get 1 insert plus 9 base cards. And these are some of the cards from one of the packs. So if you're looking for a really cool game to play at the workplace or even play with the kids, definitely check this out. This is a really unique game, super fun to play, and it's also a great learning experience as well. Hopefully this video helped you out, and I will see you on the next one.